while we had a windy day, we thought it would be a great day to remove the tarp from the roof, because this tarp is heavy and it's very hard to move. And we've learned from past experiences that shifting the tarp, moving the tarp is easier with wind. So we're removing the tarp from my crafting cottage because it won't be long and we shall be shingling the roof. I'm posting this video not for how to do things, but for your entertainment. The entertainment's coming up. Just keep watching. You'll have a laugh with us. Just as a reminder, the roof is waterproofed. It has a waterproof membrane on it, an underlayment, brace, ice, and shield. So we're not worried about rain. We were just protecting that with the tarp until we could get close to the time that we're going to be shingling the roof. Well, that went pretty easy. Now, the fun begins.
Yeah, this is a good day to be doing this. This is a good day to be doing it.
The wind was helpful in getting the tarp down off the roof, but it wasn't very helpful when we were trying to fold up the tarp, which you will soon see the trouble we had. told my husband we need some stones to help hold the tarp down. So he went to go get some stones. We were going against the wind. Not a good idea. But we had it flatter on the left side. On the right side, we didn't have enough space to stretch it out because the cars were in the way. So that's why we were doing it the way we were. But we quickly learned you can't go against the wind. No, we were going in the wrong direction. We were folding it in the wrong direction. Should have been working with the wind.
Put the whole thing down on stone and wait till it's not so windy to hold it.
Bit of a challenge to try and fold it on a windy day. So we're just gonna have to wait till it calms down or another day because when the wind gets in it, it's powerful and we can't fight the wind.